record. Now we can try to together if it is okay.
The second one?
Yes. So what we'll do now first?
We will do it in the standard form, and after that we will give values to x and y, the 0.
Yes. So B, firstly, I'm taking here 2y plus 3x plus 4 is equal to 0. We're right, yes?
Yes.
As I said, you can use to draw the graph directly like this. Also, this is a standard form of a line, or you can write 2y is equal to minus 3x minus 4, and y is equal to minus 3x minus 4 over 2. Okay, to write in the standard form as it is given here. So this one will be minus 3 over 2x, and minus 4 over 2 will be 2. So your A will be minus 3 over 2, and your B will be minus 2. Also, you can do like this, doesn't matter, okay? Now, I will give values to x and y, as we did in the previous one. 0, when I will give to x 0, y will be minus 2 directly. Yes?
Yes, minus.
0 to y, I will have this one, minus 3 over 2x minus 2. I will take minus 2 to the other side. It will be 2 minus 3 over 2x. Then with the cross product, x is equal to 4 over minus 3. Yes? You can
Yes.
check. Now let's draw it here if I can. So when x is 0, y is minus 2 is this point. And when y is 0, x is minus 4 over 3, which let's say if 1 is here, somewhere here, minus 4 over 3. Now our graph, our line will be dashed or solid?
Solid, because it is equal or...
Yes, because we have here less than or equal to. So I will try to draw it, a straight line, but I am not. Not that good, but okay. Again, as you see, I have the 0 and 0 here. I will take again the test point as 0, 0. So when I will write 2 times 0 plus 3 times 0 plus 4 is less than or equal to 0. So I will get 4 is less than or equal to 0, and this is false. Which part will be our solution? If 0 here, this part is our solution. So this region is y, 2y, we can write 2y plus 3x plus 4 less than or equal to 0 is this region. Okay? Did you understand how it goes? It's not that hard.
It's easy.
Now here we are finishing with the line linear inequalities. Now I will show the quadratic inequalities. So what do you think? What will be in quadratic inequalities? We'll have parabola. Here we had line. In quadratic inequalities, we will have parabola, and we'll check inside of the parabola or outside of the parabola will be the solution. Can I continue?
Okay, teacher, you can.
Okay. Quadratic inequalities. So here, quadratic inequality in two variables are these ones in this form: ax squared plus bx plus c is greater than y or less than y, greater than and equal to y, or less than and equal to y. So we will have again the parabola, and we will check if it is the solution is inside of the or outside of the parabola with the same logic as we did in linear inequalities. As you can see here, again, we have steps. First step, graph the parabola. Firstly, we need to draw the graph of the parabola and draw the parabola as dashed line if the inequality symbol is less than or equal to, or solid line if the inequality symbol is less than or equal to, or greater than or equal to, if you have equality here. And the second step, choose a test point which is not on the boundary and substitute it into the inequality. And again, shade the region which includes the test point if the resulting inequality is true, and shade the region which does not contain the test point if the resulting inequality is false. Everything is the same, but here we'll draw parabola, not line. Can I continue to the next question, next page? If it is okay for you? Or if you're
It's okay, teacher.
wait.
Teacher, can I take a screen?
Yes, yes.
1 minute.
Yes. You have this all in the book, page 115, if you want to check. Can I continue now?
Okay, teacher, continue.
Yes, teacher, it's okay.
Okay. Now, as you can see, we have here some inequalities, and let's try to solve them. I'm taking A. Y is less than or equal to 2x plus 1 x minus 3. As you can see, this one is first is not in standard form. It's given as factorized. But to draw the graph, I need to write it in standard form. So I am taking y is equal to 2x squared minus 6x plus x minus 3. So y is equal to y is equal to 2x squared minus 5x minus 3 is the standard form. Or you can write here also y is less than or equal to 2x squared minus 5x minus 3 is our inequality. It's okay, this part I multiplied one by one with all of them. Now I need
It's okay, teacher.
parabola of this quadratic function. So what was our steps for drawing parabola?
We first check if it is bigger or less to find if it is upwards or downwards.
A is equal to 2 is greater than 0, and it will be
Upwards.
And then second step, vertex h and k. H is equal to minus b over 2a. So our b is 5 minus 5 over 2 times 2. These two minuses will be plus, and it will be 5 over 2. Yes. And k will be f of 5 over 2. 5 over 2, I'm saying 5 over 4. So this is 2 times 5 over 4 squared minus 5 times 5 over 4 minus 3. So here I will have 2 times 25 over 16 minus 25 over 4
minus 3.
minus 3. So to find the k, I need to do all the operation here. So 16, 4, I will multiply this one by 4, and I will multiply this one by 16. So here I have 50 minus
3 over
25 times 4, what will be?
100.
100.
100.
Minus 3 times 16, what will it will be?
48
2 times 16,
48.
48.
Yes,
over
over
16.
16. And this one is minus 148 and
Minus 98
minus 98 over 16.
over 16.
This is K. If you can simplify this one, you can try. Okay, let me check here if we have 2. By 2 you can simplify. Or you can find approximately how much is this one. Can you do in a calculator 98 over 16? What is the value of it?
6.125.
One more time.
6.125.
Minus 6.125. Okay. Now the third step, intercepts. X-intercept will be when y is equal to 0. So we have 2x squared minus 5x minus 3 is equal to 0. Then we'll try to factorize 2x. I will do 1 and 3 minus 6 plus 1. I will have minus 5. So x1 will be minus 1 over 2. X2 will be 3.
3.
Y-intercept will be when x is equal to 0, y is equal to minus 3. Yes? I will do 0 here. Y is equal to minus 3. Now, I can draw my graph. So firstly, vertex point, let me check. We have 5 over 2, 5 over 4, and this one minus 6 point. So 5 over 4 is 1 point something, yes?
Let me check.
If 1 is
1.25.
1.25, somewhere here maybe, 5 over 4. And y is minus, if 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, let's say minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, and to find the other part, minus 6 point something, let's say it is here, and the vertex point is this one. This is the vertex point, and we have minus 1 over 2 here, and 3, let's say it is here, and minus 3 here. Now, our parabola will be dashed line or solid line?
It will be dashed line, a solid line, because it is
Solid
equal
line,
length.
yes. So I will try to draw the parabola if I can. Okay, it's something like this. So this is the parabola. Now again, I will take 0 and 0, guys. It's inside of the parabola. And when I will check the 0 and 0, I have 2 times, how we did, yes, 2 times 0 squared minus 5 times 0 minus 3. This one is greater than or equal to 0, it will be. So minus 3 is greater than or equal to 0, I'm finding, when these ones will go. So this one is false.
Inside.
It's not.
If it is false, it is outside of the.
So it's not inside of the parabola. It will be outside of the parabola. This part will be the solution. Okay. Let me take
Go up.
Okay. It's okay.
Yes.
Let me take the attendance for the second lesson. Besan?
Here.
Here. Okay. Hamza?
I'm here, teacher.
Okay, Hamza. Herman?
I'm here, teacher.
Sara?
I'm here.
Rumeysa?
Here.
Okay. Salman?
I'm here, teacher.
Okay. Stanislav?
I'm here, teacher.
Besa?
I'm here,
Besa?
teacher.
Yes. Okay.
I'm here.
Giovanna?
I'm here.
Okay. Arta?
I'm here.
Ardita?
I am here.
Okay. Tringa?
Here.
Kibariye?
Here.
Fatih?
Here.
Okay. Stephanie?
Here.
Anna?
Here.
Amra? Elza?
Here.
Eva?
Here, teacher.
Okay. Alexander?
Here.
Anita?
I am here.
Yusuf? No. Okay. Now, guys, there are more questions. If you want, you can try to solve them. In B, guys, in B, you have the same thing. You will open this one, you have Y here. Can you see? Y, but
Yeah.
C and D, we don't have Y. We have only X values. So let's see how we'll solve this one. Okay, without Y.
Teacher, can you go a bit down
Yes.
in the graph? It's okay. You can go up, teacher. It's okay.
Okay. Okay, guys, I'm leaving B to you. It's the same thing again. You will draw the parabola and then you will take a point and you will check if it is false or correct, and then you'll find the region that will be the solution. Now let's see in C what we'll do. We have this one. C minus x squared plus 4x plus 5 is less than or equal to 0. Now this one, you can solve this one as the normal quadratic inequality, or with the parabola. How we'll find the solution? Because here we don't have the y. I will do a different way here. Now, firstly, again, we need to draw the parabola as y is equal to minus x squared plus 4x plus 5. We will think that we are drawing the graph of this quadratic function. Again, first step, a is equal to minus 1. It's less than 0, so it will be a is less than 0, then the graph will be, guys, Ermal?
Downwards.
Yes, teacher.
If a is less than 0, our parabola will be downwards or upwards?
Downwards.
Downwards it will be. And then the second step, vertex h and k, how we're finding h? Yes?
What, teacher?
Who will tell how we're finding h?
Minus b over 2.
Minus b over 2a.
Minus b over 2a. So it is minus 4 over 2 to
Over 2
minus 1,
minus 1.
which is minus 4 over minus 2, and it is 2. Then the k will be f of 2, which is minus 2 squared plus 4 times 2 plus 5. And it will be minus 4 plus 8 plus 5. And then 4 plus 5, 9. And this one is the vertex will be 2 and 9. Then the third step, x-intercept will be, yes, guys? Are you
X-intercept.
here? Okay. I will equalize to 0 then.
We found with, how to say, teacher, with, yes, with factorizing.
Factorization. So here it is plus 4. So this minus will be with the smaller one. Then x1 I will have minus 5, sorry, because it's minus here. And x2 will be minus 1. And y-intercept, what it will be? When we'll write instead of x0, what we'll find y? Only
5.
5. Okay, now let's draw. Oops. Let's draw our graph, if I can. Here, where am I going? Okay. Okay. 0 is here. Firstly, vertex point is 2 and 9. If 2 is here, let's say 9 is here somewhere. Okay. This is the vertex point. And then x-intercepts 5 and minus 1. Let's say 5 is here, minus 1 is here, and y-intercept is 5, 8, 7, 6, 5. Let's say here. Now what we said, our graph is downwards. I will draw it downwards firstly. This is the graph. And now, guys, what we are looking for? We are looking for when this graph, this function is less than or equal to 0. So here in this graph, you can see that this part, let me do with the highlighter, if I can. Look, this part of the solution is positive part, yes? Positive part of the y upwards. And this part is the negative part. So what we are looking for? We are looking for less than 0, the negative part. Yes. So only this part is our solution, guys.
Teacher, how we find that only that part is our solution?
Because it is less than 0, because we don't have here y, we have only the x value, and I'm checking in the graph which part is positive, which part is negative. So up part is positive of y, yes? So here, when you for any value of x from -1 till 5, you will have always the positive y's. Yes, for example, -1 will make 0, then if you take 0, it will be 5. If you take 1, it will be something here. When you will take 2, it will be 9, till 5. After these values, you have negative solutions. You can try. You can write in the inequality here, okay? Or you can see this part is positive always for y, and this part is negative part, yes, down part. So if we are looking...
Teacher, how do you know that y is negative?
Because y is this one, what I said, look, I equalize this one to y, okay?
We equalize it to y.
Yes, we equalize this one to y. This is our function y. And I am looking when y is less than or equal to 0 here, okay? So in which case is less than or equal to 0? This case.
Negative, it is negative.
Yes. Now, how I can write the solution of x here? It's from -infinity till -1. Okay, it comes from, because this is from infinity here, okay, till -1. -1 is included. Union, this part is all positive. I'm not taking. From 5 till
Two
positive infinity. Okay? Did you understand?
Yes, teacher.
Okay.
Teacher, just to
D
write
is
in
the same. Also, D is the same logic. You will check.
Teacher, can you go up a bit?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Teacher, I'm writing that's why.
Okay, okay, it's not problem. So here, guys, we are finishing the topic. We have, I think, one more question, but it's the same thing. Only here, what it takes time to draw the parabola. It is a bit longer, but if you have understood how to draw the parabola, it is easy to find the other parts.
Teacher, in the exam, which one we will have?
What do you mean?
I mean, which the only inequalities or also now the sketching?
Oh,
Because you said before sketching craft, but you didn't tell us.